Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript quickly. First, focus on core concepts like variables, data types, and functions. These are the building blocks of any program. Next, grasp control flow using if/else statements and various loops to manage program execution. Consistent practice is crucial. Aim for at least 30 minutes daily to reinforce these fundamentals. This approach ensures a strong base for more complex topics. Once you have the basics down, immediately apply your knowledge by building small projects. This hands-on approach is far more effective than just reading. Learn to manipulate the Document Object Model, or DOM, to make web pages interactive. Try creating simple applications like a calculator, a quiz game, or a to-do list. These projects help you understand how JavaScript functions in real-world scenarios and build confidence. As your skills grow, delve into advanced JavaScript topics. Master asynchronous JavaScript using promises and the async/await syntax for handling operations that take time. Gain a deep understanding of closures, variable scope, and the this keyword, which are vital for writing robust code. Familiarize yourself with modern ES6 and later features, including arrow functions and modules, to write cleaner, more efficient JavaScript. Learning JavaScript is an ongoing journey. Engage with online communities, contribute to open-source projects, and continuously review official documentation. Experiment with new features and libraries to keep your skills sharp and relevant. Remember, consistent effort yields the best results. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you focused on your coding journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.